Hi Lindsay, I think this is going to be the last video that you're going to need, but let me know if you want to learn how to do something else. This one is going to cover how to just edit the basic content on pages of the site. So I'm going to use this barge one for an example. So on the dashboard, we come down here on the left side to where it says pages. Click that. We'll get a list of all of the pages on the website. It doesn't really put them in any particular order, which is kind of irritating at times, but if you want to put them in alphabetical order, you can just click here on this column that says title. And just like an Excel document, it's going to put them in alphabetical order. So you can come right here to barge rentals, click on that page. And it takes a minute for it to fully show it to you. But here we go. Now we have the content on the page. You can see it relates directly to what we see over here, barge rentals and material delivery. We can handle your, there it is, there it is. So each one of these things is in a different little block. You can see as I roll around on here that I get different little green bars over each section for editing. If I wanted to edit this text block, you can see when I roll over each piece, it tells me what that thing is going to do. So we want the pencil right here for edit. And a new window pops up above here. We can move it around. We can resize the window so that we have more room to work with. And here's all the text. So if we're missing a period there, let's say we needed to add more content down here. When you're done, just hit Save Changes. I can see my change here, but we need to come over here to the right-hand side and hit Update. Once that's done updating, we can refresh the page on the front end. And we can see our new content right here. That's really most of what you're going to need to know how to do here. Just each one of these is in its own separate text block, so you have to edit each one separately. If you want to add more barges, then you are welcome to get our assistance with that, but as you can see, it's just an image, a title, and then a text area down here. So right over here, I would hit this, clone this row, click that, and now it's just made a duplicate of this whole row. So we've got the WC2, we've got the Katie, and we've got the Kaya all duplicated again. We could just get rid of the parts that we don't need. If we only need 2 of them, we could leave 2. If we only need 1, we would just get rid of these others. And then we could just come in here and edit these. So the images, as you can see, are a square. So whatever your new image is, you just need it cropped to a square. Come over here, get rid of the image that's there, hit Add. And again, we'll just use something that's obviously wrong so that we can see it easily. Save. So now we've got our new boat image. Change this to and then right down here at the bottom we can put in whatever statistics or whatever we need to know about that. Come over here on the right hand side just like before, hit Update. And again, once that's done updating, we can hit Refresh on the front end. And if we scroll down here, we can see our boat added to the page. That is really it. I mean, the only other part is, you know, if you wanted to, let's go ahead and delete this out of here before we forget. Update that. So yeah, you just come down here to Pages, choose the page that you want to edit. Docs, for instance. And there's our content. So you can just come in here and edit whatever it is that is needed. Some of this page, like this page is a little more complicated. It's got some buttons and links and stuff in here. You might want our assistance with something like that. But, for day-to-day text editing, if you find a typo or just something that you want to update, it's really handy for you to be able to do this. Thanks so much.